Today's house we love is in the historic hamlet of San Giuseppe, in the region of Piedmont, very near the VAL d'Aosta region. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Thanks so much for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Just a reminder that we're not the realtor. We just like finding and sharing interesting homes for sale in Italy under 150,000 euros. So, unfortunately, we can't remove the realtor's watermark on some videos. We find them annoying too and hope this isn't too much of a distraction for you. Now back to the property. It's actually set up to be 2 residential units, so it could be used as one large 200 square metre home, a home with a bonus rental space, or 2 separate rental apartments. Along with 4 bedrooms, there are 2 bathrooms, a garage, basement cellars with barrel vault ceilings, a large attic and a private garden. It's in very good condition, having been renovated over the years. However, it will need some sprucing up and possibly a refresh in a portion of the house, which is painted quite brightly. It's in an idyllic location just north of the town of Biella, on the doorstep of countless outdoor activities. It's also very centrally located between the Swiss and French Alps, Turin, Milan, and the Italian Lake District. This home would make a wonderful base to explore northern Italy and the surrounding European countries, especially during the summer months when it will be cooler here than in coastal and southern Italy. And the asking price is a pretty incredible 50,000 euros. There is a link to the realtor's original listing in the video notes below if you're seriously interested and would like to contact them directly with any questions. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon with more exceptional Italian homes.